Hello friends, this is your girl Josy. Yes, let's dive into today's video. Today I'm going to pack an order, and this one is a repeated customer. Repeated customer means that the person bought something from you and they came back, and this time around when she came back she bought 3 things from me. Super excited. So keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. If you see me here today, your girl voice is not really nice. I'm having some sore throat. My nose is blowing up and down because of the weather. But I just really wanted to do this video. Yes, I have a customer who bought something from me, and this time around when she came back, she bought 3 things for me, and I can't wait to share with you guys what she bought for me. Super excited. I'm so grateful for everybody buying from my shop. So let's pack this order together. And today, I leave this one here saying, you got so much to offer the world. You do. At times, you just have to just move. It may be tough, but just move. You got so much to offer the world. Let's pack the order. Yes, so normally when I'm going to pack the order, I'll put it in a container to put everything at one place so that I wouldn't miss what I'm going to pack. And also, I wouldn't mess it up with other people's order. So each order, I'll put it in a little container, put everything, my freebies, which I'm going to show you guys. All the stuff they order, I will cross-check with the paper to make sure everything is in a container like this. Then, when it's time for me to put it in the packaging box, it makes it easy for me. So today, let's see what the person ordered. Let me put it here on the side. So this customer, repeated customer, ordered the 100 envelope savings challenge. She didn't want it customized. She just wanted it plain. So let's pack that one first. And as we pack, we're also going to talk a little bit. So your girl has been trying so hard to do YouTube live, and I've been trying to get staff ready to do YouTube live, but anytime I tried, something comes up. So I've decided to just go ahead and do it. And so something comes up, so I've decided that I'm going to set a date and just go and just do the live. I don't know, because I have the app that I can make me go live, adapt multiple streams. I've been paying for it, but anytime I'm going, I feel like, oh, how do I do this? A lot of excuses, which I've said in one of my videos before, but a lot of excuses. So this time around, I decided that I will make it happen. So this coming month, which I haven't set a date yet, but I'm going to make the flyers and move it around so that you guys will know when I'm going live. So I will surely share with you guys when I'm going, the date, what I'm going to do on the live. It's mostly going to be cash staffing or budgeting, which is I do that on this video a lot, or even it can be a savings challenge, but I'm thinking of budgeting. I know some people still need to budget to a place that they don't have to budget anymore, because I know some people can budget to a extent that they don't have to budget anymore because they are debt free, they are manage their money, they know how to spend their money. Some of us are still not there yet, so we need that budget as a roadmap for us so that we can go on with our money and stuff. So I know. So this is the 100 envelope savings challenge that I've been using. If you've been following me, you know I use this on my channel. I have it in my shop, and it comes with an empty tracker. So in case you don't want to you want to do it in a different way, which I'm showing one of the ways that you can do it. And there's going to be a multiple ways that you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge. So you need a free tracker that you can track if you are doing it in a different way. So that's that one. Okay, and because of the mailing purposes, I'll put it back in this bag so that it won't get scratchy or anything if we are mailing it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting it back. So that's that one. So we have this one. She also ordered the 500 and the 1000 monthly challenge. So this is how I packed that one as well. So this is the 500 and this is the 1000. And it also comes with a bookmark. And when you buy it, it's either you buy it in a gold ring or a silver one. She wanted a silver one. So I'll take that one out. Okay, and this is the 500 one. So it comes with a quote each month. So even if you've been following me on IG or my other platform, even on YouTube here, I post how I'm doing it monthly. We are still in January, which I'm going to do till December. I'm doing the 1001. So if you follow me, you see that I do that every week. And I'm sharing my journey about that. So if you want it, I have the Bible quotation one, and I have just the motivational quotes, which I will show you the one for okay. So this is how it look like. I also add this when you buy it, but this one I just have a few of them. So I think this is the last one because the people who ordered the first batch were the people who were getting it. But I have 2 of them, so I'm giving it to her. Then I'll put one here. So this is how it look like. Then this one was the journey of 1,000 miles begin with 1 step. So that's January 1. And this is how it look like. Then you go with that one. Then I'm going to put this. So if you are the type who like saving every week or monthly or bi-weekly, or it goes from January to December. So this is how it look like when you buy it. Then I'll do, she bought the 500 and she bought the 1001. So I'm going to pack the 1001, and it's the same way. Then after this, I will show you guys the freebie. So these are the 3 things that she bought from my shop, and I'm super excited to have somebody coming back. So grateful to everybody who has been ordering from my shop. Thank you so much. And see that. Oh, I turn it around. No. And this is the 1001. And this is how it look like as well. Is this not cute? So she bought these 3 things. And now let me show you the freebies I'm giving her. I love giving her freebies, so I'm giving her 2 of these. I made sure I add a lot of alcohol wipes. Then as usual, I'm giving her this one as well. Let me write a name. You guys always know that I add something for somebody else as well. I'm going to write the name here. I don't want the name, the full name and the address to come, so I'm going to look on it and write it. So this order is for Haley. Thank you. And I always give, like I said, I always give a freebie. I think I'll add this one for her. Then this one is for her to bless somebody with. And I always do that in all my orders as well. So these 2. This one. And I have 2 pens here, one for each savings challenge. And I also have this one is supposed to go with the 100 envelope savings challenge. So I'll put that one in. Okay, so this is how it look like. I'll close it. It closed that nicely. So we have this order. My son keep on coming off. So this, that, and that. For one order, this is the packing slip in there. And I'm going to put it in the box. So I got a big box. to put it in. So I'm going to show you guys. I packed the order in the box like this. I put it in a big box. And I have the label on it, so ready to go. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching me today. Thanks for packing the order with me. That was really, really dear to my heart for this order. So thank you. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye, bye, bye.